In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Lovable to Supabase step by step, so you can link your project to a powerful backend in just a few minutes. This is a super useful setup if you want to store data, manage users, and build apps faster without getting stuck on the technical side. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your project in Lovable. Once you're inside the project, look at the top left corner of the screen and click on the project name. This will open a drop-down menu with several project-related options. From that drop-down, click on Project Connectors. This is where Lovable lets you connect external tools and services to your app. After that, click on All Connectors. This will show you the full list of available integrations. Now you'll want to find Supabase, so use the search bar if needed and click on Supabase when it appears. Supabase is the service that will connect your project to a database and backend features. Once you select Supabase, click Connect Supabase. This starts the connection process. At this point, Lovable may ask you to choose an organization from a drop-down menu. Go ahead and select the correct organization that you want to use for this project. Make sure you choose the right one, especially if you have more than one account or workspace. After selecting the organization, the final step is to click Authorize Lovable. This gives Lovable permission to connect with your Supabase account and complete the setup. Once authorization is finished, your project should now be connected to Supabase and ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully connected Lovable to Supabase. Now you can continue building your app with a proper backend connection in place. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and leave a comment if you want to see more Lovable tutorials in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.